Mga kaibigan, ang galing talaga ng mga Pinoy. At mula sa isang astig, syempre dapat sa isang astig na lugar din tayo pumunta. Bisitahin natin ang isang eskwelahan sa Makati na kauna-unahang nag-offer ng BS Animation Program sa Pilipinas. Ito po ang Just Checked In. Galing, galing. Thank you.
Hello guys! Narito ako ngayon sa Makati dahil binisita ko ang only college in Ayala Avenue. Welcome to iAcademy.
iAcademy is the only college in Ayala Avenue. We offer highly specialized and degree programs such as BS Animation, the first in the Philippines, BS Game Development, Multimedia Arts, Software Engineering, and many more. Our BS Animation program is a 4-year degree program and is first of its kind in the Philippines. We were able to be the first school that offered it as a Bachelor of Science degree. In this course, the students will be able to know 2D animation, 3D animation. And with that, our students get to experience state-of-the-art facilities. We have the iMac laboratory, our very own Cintiq laboratory. We also have the traditional Lightbox room for our artists. And then we are also the official training partner of Wacom, the quality maker of pen tablet and Cintiq machines. And apart from that, we were also identified by IBM as the Software Center of Excellence in the ASEAN region. In 2010, our animation students were tapped to do the infomercial of TV5 for their election campaign.
Galing, di ba? Sila din ang official school partner ng Project Runway Philippines Season 3. At dahil nga patuloy ang paglago ng online gaming sa bansa, naisipan ng iAcademy na ipakilala ang cool at kakaibang state-of-the-art equipment nila na tinatawag na Game Van.
The iAcademy Game Van is an 18-seater technology ambassador of iAcademy, which houses state-of-the-art facilities. We have 9 different LCD TVs with different console games. We also have Wii, Xbox, Kinect games, where students get to experience the real world of gaming. So our game van usually goes to different schools and promote our BS Game Development Program.
Tara guys, at samahan nyo akong i-check ang kanilang game van. Sir, ilan po ba ang kasya dito sa game van?
Kasya dito ang 18 katao, 18 students, yes. And sabay-sabay sila maglaro. So we have 9 LCD TVs with different games. Ayan, may Xbox, meron tayong Wii, may Kinect.
At least parang may break yung mga estudyante, no?
Yes, yes. Most of our game development students, dito rin sila nagka-class para at least they get to experience and be more encouraged to create games.
Yeah,
okay? Because with the right environment, syempre mas gaganahan yung mga game developers na mag-create ng new games. Okay.
Kanino ba kayo boto sa laban na to?
Syempre sa'yo.
Yeah, tingnan nyo kung paano ko lang pasuyin si Joe,
So again, I would like to invite every one of you to please visit our campus and experience the state-of-the-art facilities. You can find us at www.iacademy.edu.ph. Follow us on Twitter and then like us on Facebook.
Ayan mga kababayan, may isa na naman tayo natuklasan ngayong araw. Para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa animation tsaka sa game development, pwedeng nyo i-check ang curriculum ng iAcademy. Malay mo, ikaw na maging susunod na inventor ng online game sa bansa. Ito nga pala si Abra para sa Just Checked In.